Imagine the only food left on Earth is cacti. There's nothing else like it all. What are you gonna do? About 50 million years ago, an arid climate turned part of America into a desert. 5 to 10 million years later, cacti began to actively spread all around the place. It's quite difficult to recognize this weird plants. In short, camels can and do eat cacti. It'll take years of evolution to adapt to such a diet. But there are animals that have already done that. The camels, they seem to be designed to survive in the desert, which means they can feed on whatever grows there. When you're an herbivore, you can't really be picky and any plants will do, including camel thorns and cacti. Yes, camels do eat them. They swallow entirely right along with the spines. And that doesn't bother them. But why if you stumbled across a cactus at least? Once you know that any contact with its spines is as nasty as it gets, even a few thorns stuck into the skin is very painful. You probably already know that camels store fat cells in their humps to survive in dry places of the world. When needed, they use it as an energy source when there's lack of water and food. That leads us to thinking, can camels eat cactus with thorns for a water source? What about those spiky thorns on a cactus? Let's find out. To understand how it works, you have to look into the camel's mouth. I warn you right away, this might get weird. First, the camel has very tough lips, but this is just the beginning. The entire inner part of the camel's mouth is lined with unusual structures called papillae. The papillae helps prevent any damage when they are eating the cactus and helps food flow in one direction, which goes straight to stomach. Palate, cheeks, tongue, everything is covered with these heart formations. They're partly made of keratin, and it helps camels chew things that are not supposed to be chewed at all. Camels are much cooler than you used to think. What's surprising is that camels have a hard palate located at the top of the mouth. The palate helps the camel avoid any mouth injuries as it chews the food. With the help of the papillae, the cactus needles slide down the camel's throat without causing any damages. How is it possible for camels to eat cactus? Due to the harsh conditions in the desert, they have been forced to adapt to eating the thorny cacti. The papillae are in the form of hard and wiggly fingers, which helps the camel avoid any damages in its mouth. Why do animals eat something that looks little like food anyway? Well, sometimes they just don't have a choice. If you live in a remote region with an unpleasant climate, you can't be a picky eater. Either you eat some nasty looking thorn or you die in a heroic manner. Camels can live in deserts comfortably because they have features that make them adapt to the harsh environment. Most species of cacti are found in dry areas. Camels can be found there, and most of the vegetation available are cacti. Did you know there are other animals that eat cactus? During drought, animals will often go for the most common type of cactus, prickly pear. Animals such as deers, squirrels, birds, beetles, tortoises, pack rats, javeliners, antelopes and jackrabbits all eat cactus fruit. Other times, farmers burn the thorns so that the cattle can feed on them. How can cactus be used as an animal feed? Cactus thrives in dry lands. However, water scarcity in such dry areas threatens livestock production. Cacti can produce biomass. Considering they are 90% rich in water, and the rest is dry matter, they provide an excellent option for water provision in dry areas. People eat cactus too. Surprised? Humans, just like other animals, eat cactus too. Shocked? The only difference is that human beings with a higher intelligence capacity compared to other animals have devised ways to eat cactus, avoiding their apparent pricky thorns. Furthermore, human beings, unlike camels, don't have a digestive system adapted to eating the prickly cactus. Cactus has high fiber, which is an excellent addition to other foods with high levels of fiber. Nopal juice and powder are available in stores to help diabetic people. What do you know about the deadly food that animals eat? Let us know in the comments below. Also make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Jaff Factor. This helps to keep the channel growing. But for now, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.